Hey everyone, I'm Eric, and in this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create your billboard card. So, your billboard card is what shows on the hub for other companies to reach out to you to collaborate. So, here's what the billboard cards look like, and this is exactly what a company is going to do if they're looking for other companies to collaborate with. And whenever they're scrolling, it's very important to understand what these companies are open to whenever they're looking for a collaboration. So all these companies are open to collaborations in many different fashions, but it would be great to know what companies are looking for your specific collaboration. Okay? So what I mean by that is you can go into your dashboard and you can change what your billboard card looks like in front of other companies. And so in bold here, we suggest, and these are just some common practices that we suggest, and you can change and edit and add whatever you'd like on your billboard card. But the common practice that we believe to be helpful for companies that want to reach out to you with the same collaboration needs or efforts that they're looking for is just to put it in bold. So they'll see the company up top, they'll see what stage you're in, of course, and what kind of collaborations are you looking for? Are you looking for mutual giveaways? Are you looking for a certain tool that you want to collaborate with, whether it's a Telegram bot or anything specific to talk to other companies that are scrolling through the hub is going to help them take action to want to collaborate with you. So if they see some keywords that say a mutual giveaway collaborations, um, wanted, or however you think you can get their attention to want to collaborate, that is what's going to give them the information that they need to click on the apply to see more information about your company and reach out to you. And that's exactly what this platform is all about, is providing a resource for companies to collaborate with others. And it's free to do. You can submit or receive as many collaboration requests as possible. So it doesn't matter. The sky's the limit with that. And so once you change that, and of course your collab page. So once they hit apply, and they want to learn more about your company than just the tagline of the collaboration, and then just a short description, of course, of your company, what you do. And so you can add more information about your company and what you do and the collaborations you're looking for, all within your collab page preview. That's after they click apply. Okay. So this is exactly what's going to help you get more collaborations and reach out to more collaborations, with other companies. So if you have any questions about your billboard card and how to utilize it, go into the community and give us a shout. We're always happy to help. All right. Thanks. Bye.